In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a spreadsheet of tasks into an Asana project using the built-in importer. If your data lives in Excel or Google Sheets, don't worry. Saving it as a CSV works perfectly for this process. Start by opening Asana in your browser and signing in. Enter your email, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. Once you land on your Asana homepage, make sure you're in the right workspace, then open the project where you want the tasks to appear. The import will add tasks to this project, so pick the correct one before moving on. At the top of the project, open the project header menu. This is where you'll find the import option. Click Import and choose CSV. Even if your source file is Excel or Google Sheets, simply export or download it as a CSV first. That keeps everything consistent and avoids formatting issues. Now click. Select a CSV file to import and choose your file. Asana will scan your columns and automatically map them to task fields. You'll see a preview that shows which column is being used for task name, description, assignee, due date, and so on. Take a moment to review those mappings. The task name column is required. Make sure the column with your task titles is mapped there. For dates, use a standard format like YYMMDD to prevent errors. For assignees, the names in your file should match existing Asana members. If you have columns for sections, tags, or custom fields, map them to the corresponding fields in Asana so your structure comes across cleanly. If something doesn't look right, adjust the mappings in the preview. You can change any dropdown until the columns align with the fields you want. A quick tip, keep your spreadsheet headers clear and simple, like task name, description, assignee, due date, and section. This helps Asana auto-detect the right fields and saves you time. When everything looks good, click Start Import. Asana will process the file and add tasks to your project. After it finishes, scan your project to confirm tasks, dates, and assignments imported as expected. If you spot issues, you can adjust your CSV and run the import again to refine the results. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now a structured Asana project. Save your CSV template for next time, and you'll be able to import updates in just a few clicks.